ducklings came waddling back. 4 little ducklings hopped over the hill, playing and jumping with so much thrill. Mama called out, "Quacky, quack, quack." 3 little ducklings came waddling back. 3 little ducklings splashed in the rain, singing and dancing again and again. Mama called out, "Quacky, quack, quack." 2 little ducklings came waddling back. Count with Winkiddos, 1, 2, 3. Count with Winkiddos, 4 and 5 with me. Wink and Ida counts them all. Mimi wakes up, Pip gives a call. 2 little ducklings floated away, drifting on lily pads all through the day. Mama called out, "Quacky, quack, quack." 1 little duckling came waddling back. 1 little duckling sat all alone, waiting for Mama to lead the way home. Mama called out, "Quacky, quack, quack." All 5 little ducklings came waddling back. Hooray, hooray! They all came back, splishing and splashing. Quack, quack, quack. Mama hugged them one by one. 5 little ducklings back home and done. Count with Winkiddos, 1, 2, 3. Count with Winkiddos, 4 and 5 with me. All 5 ducklings safe and sound, happiest ducklings to be found. La la la, Winkiddos, count with us another day. La la la, Winkiddos, 5 little ducklings